Opening activities sprung no new surprise for traders and investors in the Nigerian equities market today. The long-running bearish sentiment remained dominant, with key market indicators dropping by 0.65%. Market capitalization, which was 12.9 trillion at the beginning of trade, depreciated by about 84 billion naira today to close at 12.877 trillion naira. And also the ratio of gainers to losers revealed a very large margin, with just 5 gainers against 28 losers. The NSE sustained its bearish run following the decline recorded by most blue-chip firms led by Guaranty Trust Bank and, of course, followed by Cadbury PLC. Cadbury in last session sold for 9 naira 90 kobo, but today we saw 85 kobo decline in its share price to close at 9 naira and 5 kobo. And still on the losers chart, the share price of Berger Paints also saw its first price drop in the last 7 days from 7 naira 50 kobo to 6 naira 75 kobo today. And the wave of losses also hit top market driver, that's Dangote Cement, and which also performed poorly, declining by 70 kobo today. Let's now do a flip over to the gainers chart, and we see that the chart was majorly dominated by small cap stocks. Eternal led the pack with 20 kobo price gain in its, of course, in its share price, while Mansard followed with 15 kobo price gain, and that's from 1 naira 80 kobo, 1 naira 65 kobo, I beg your pardon, to 1 naira and 80 kobo today. Cornerstone Insurance PLC and the NPF Microfinance Bank also completed the list of 4 gainers with a combined 9 kobo increase in their share prices. And let's take a look at the summary of all activities in the market today, and we see that the total quantity of shares traded today was over 192 million, and although this is lower than what was recorded in previous session, the sum of this trade remained almost the same with what was recorded in the last session, which was just about 3.5 billion naira. And gloomy day for investors at the NSE, no doubt. But let's now see how trading played out in other markets, and by that I mean foreign markets now. Let's see. We see FTSE US markets actually opened lower at 0.080%. Same downward trend for the Dow Jones. But you see, the Asian market catalyst continues to do its thing for the investors, in favor of the investors. And we see Nikkei edged up today by 0.33% increase, of course.